Yeah, so 9 o'clock this morning, we're going to have David Carrick's misconduct hearing. This part of an accelerated disciplinary process after what he'd been doing came to light. Look, it's going to be a formality. It shouldn't take too long. Suffice to say, he will be sacked given what has happened. But really, that's not the end of it at all. We've heard that Mark Rowley, the Met Police Commissioner, saying that there will be hundreds of other officers that simply shouldn't be working in the force as they undertake Operation Onyx. That's a review of all 45,000 serving staff and officers to go back and review their history and their case files. And he says that the majority of them will simply be, and especially in these cases, these 1,000 cases of domestic and sexual violence that you've been talking about on the programme that cover 800 officers, a lot of them may be just simply neighbours that have heard an argument next door, but there will be some that need reviewing and some officers that will need to be removed from the force. So this isn't the end of it by any stretch. And while the scale and severity of what potentially officers in future will have done may not match what David Carrick's done, it still makes uncomfortable reading for the Met as they try to close that gap that exists between what they say they're doing and what they're actually doing. When after the Sarah Everard murder, they said that they were going to reassure women that trust was going to be rebuilt, that they would protect women. And at the same time, by their own admission, the Professional Standards Unit didn't look into the file of David Carrick, who was facing an allegation of rape at the time. And that gap is the trust that not only the public have in the police force, but also women.